Okay, here we have a large console, which is a 33SA, and the 45, 36, and 47 XL uses the same size frame except for the engine and the blower and the water pump. So here we have 30 inches going across, we have 38 inches high, and from right around this bracket to the rear is 44 inches. And then what you're going to want to do is take and add a little bit of room right here, probably a couple inches, expand it out 14 inches, and what you'll do is you add the two numbers together, the 44, make it 46 plus 14, you're talking 60 inches. So from the edge of the slider, from where these bolts will start, to the back will be 60 inches, all the way to the back of where your van wall is. So your van wall will be right about here. And another consideration is that your receiver tube for your gas housing, gasoline housing inlet, where the tube goes down through the housing, sometimes you have wheelbases that have it too close to make it harder for you to put the tank behind. In that case, the tank would probably have to go either in the rear of the van itself or to the side. And oftentimes that has worked very well. The video that you see above on this page happened to be the housing happened to be placed in such a area of the van which allowed you to put the 100-gallon tank in behind it. The 100-gallon tank is 48 inches long by 35 inches high and 14 inches wide. So again, if you have this as your furthest point, say 44, you want to add at least a couple inches and then add another 14. So that's where you come up with 60 inches from right at this bracket, which would be on the edge of your slider, where you have enough to put a bolt in. And you can use those quick, easy, Molly-styled blind fasteners, which will make it really easy for you to do the install. Especially when you get to this interior part, chances are you'll have underneath you'll have a baffle and you'll have your gas tank. So with these blind fasteners, just drill a 1/2-inch hole. There's instructions included in the pack, in the installation kit that you order online at truckmountstore.com, and a sample of how we do it and how we install it. It's really easy, and that's about it. So that's your choice. Now, if you're in a trailer or box truck, you're going to have a lot more liberal space to work with. But if you're in a van, again, these are the measurements to go by. Call us today at 727-505-2989 and we'll help you in any way possible. Again, we sell installation kits to help you along the way. We have supportive video as well when you buy a Blue Baron. And so 727-505-2989, ask for Pete. Thank you. Bye.